Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of robotic pool cleaning with the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro. This was recently released in Australia just as we're coming out of winter and moving into spring, and our pools are becoming top of mind as the cleaning cycle needs to increase to get ready for summer. Now I'm new to pools, having only had one for the last 2 years, and I never realized how much effort it takes to maintain them. Cleaning the surface of leaves and bugs, then using the scoop to collect all the leaves that the vacuum cleaner never picked up, followed by the chemistry and levels. Well, 2 of those maintenance jobs we'll be solving today. So put on your boardies, sorry Aussie slang for swimmers, and let's dive into the deep end. Firstly, the box for the Scuba S1 Pro is top notch. Great packing, super protective, and looks to be eco-friendly. Inside you get the main unit, which looks amazing, very futuristic with a great color scheme. It weighs in at 7.5 kilograms and is 47.2 centimeters long, 30 centimeters wide, and 44.2 centimeters high. On top of the unit is a rubberized multifunction button that allows you to select the mode of cleaning for the device itself. There are 2 large vents that connect the 2 brushless pumps for the exhaust water that sucks the S1 Pro to the floor or to the sides of the pool. More on that later, as these are exceptional. And at the rear of the top is the access to the debris collection filter. These can be accessed by pulling up on the light blue bar that releases the top of the S1 Pro. This gives access to the basket, which can easily be removed along with the filter. Make sure you clean these out after each run to keep the unit performing at maximum efficiency. On each corner of the unit are ultrasonic sensors that allow the S1 Pro to map out your pool, allowing for it to calculate the most efficient cleaning patterns. On either side of the S1 Pro are large caterpillar tracks with durable soft silicone tracks, allowing the S1 Pro to gain maximum grip. Combine this with the best-in-class suction to allow the S1 Pro to climb any surface and literally launch itself out of the water to clean above the waterline. More on that later. Under the unit is where all that suction is directed, with a vented hole that leads to the debris collection bin and filter to prevent those fine particles returning to the pool. Also under the unit are 2 metal plates. These are to allow you to connect your S1 Pro to a cordless charging station, so you don't need to keep on tucking it away in the garage. You can take it out of the pool and place it on its charging dock. This really is a great idea, as my garage is full of devices that need to be charged. But if you haven't sprung for the cordless charging dock, then simply remove the rubber cover at the rear of the unit, plug in the included power adapter and leave for 4 hours to fully charge, ready for the next time you want to use it. That's enough power to clean any shaped in-ground pool up to 200 square meters and up to 20 meters in length. Also included is a pool hook that connects to your pool pole to retrieve your S1 Pro. Sorry it doesn't climb out on its own. Well, not yet. And then you get a well-written user manual and a quick start guide, which will have you up and running in minutes. As you would expect with one of the leading pool cleaning companies in the world, the Scuba S1 Pro comes with some very impressive features. Top of the list has to be the suction. With the 2 brushless motor pumps, the S1 Pro can move 100 gallons per minute through its top vents, making this robot cleaner the limpet of the pool cleaners. This means not only can it stick to walls easily, it can suck up even the heaviest debris that might be at the bottom of the pool. Now, if you have a pool, you're going to get a build-up around the waterline, especially in hotter climates or where you don't have active cleaning. This is where the S1 Pro comes into its own. It uses its amazing suction power and 2 additional powerful brushless motors to launch itself out of the pool in excess of 10 centimeters. Cleaning as it goes, then drops back below the waterline to then move along and repeat the same launching action. It then crabs along the waterline, cleaning as it goes. The result is a perfectly clean waterline after 1 or 2 runs and maintains as such. It has to be seen to be believed. You'd swear the S1 Pro was trying to escape your pool. So with all that suction and debris getting sucked up, where does it all go? Well, that's where the dual filter system comes into its own. First, you get a 180 micrometer filter as part of the 5-liter basket to catch all that larger debris. Then comes a secondary filter with a 3 nanometer mesh to catch the ultra-fine particles. So whatever the S1 Pro sucks up, it's not going back into the pool. Just be careful when removing the Scuba S1 Pro to not allow backwash of your debris back into the pool. Then there are 4 cleaning modes, keeping it nice and simple but functional. These cleaning modes can be selected on device through one-touch operation or via the app through Wi-Fi control, although it's only available when the S1 Pro is out of the water. Once your mode is selected, simply place your S1 Pro into the pool and sit back while it does all the work. You get 4 ultrasonic sensors that allow the S1 Pro to map your pool, and through their patented wave path technology, map the most efficient cleaning path of your pool. Setup of the Scuba S1 Pro in the app could not be simpler. You'll need to have the Aiper app loaded and an account set up. Make sure your Scuba S1 Pro is turned on and close by. Press the plus icon in the top right hand corner. Press Add via Bluetooth. The Aiper app will now search for your device. Select Scuba S1 Pro. Once paired through Bluetooth, press Done. Enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi SSID and password. Press Next. Your Scuba S1 will now connect to your Wi-Fi. Give your Scuba S1 Pro a name. Press Done. And that is literally it. You are ready to go. One final optional step. Press the cog in the top right hand corner. Select Firmware Update. Make sure that the automatic update is toggled on. Press Check for updates. If there is a firmware available, as when I set up my Scuba S1, then make sure you download an update for the latest features. Now let's have a look at what features are offered inside of the Aiper app. Aiper has specifically kept the app controls for the Scuba S1 Pro super simple. Too often, manufacturers overcomplicate apps with features that are simply not needed. Accessing the settings by pressing the cog in the top right hand corner. Here you can change the name of your Scuba S1 Pro. You have access to the cleaning records, which is handy to see when the unit last ran and for how long. Then there is a section for all your device information, such as the serial number, Wi-Fi, IP address, etc., all of which can be copied by pressing the Copy All button. Under this you get access to the Wi-Fi information. Here is where you can change the Wi-Fi to the Scuba S1 Pro connects to. You probably need to do this if you're moving home or selling the unit. In consumables, it tells you how much use is left for the roller brushes and for the filter, so you can purchase a new one when they wear out. This is also the place where you reset the counters. We've already covered the firmware update section, and as long as you set this to auto update, you will probably never need to come here again. And finally, this is the place where you come to unbind your Scuba S1 Pro from your account. You'll probably only need to do this if you intend to sell the unit. Back on the home screen, you can see if the unit is online, so you can set the mode, the battery percentage, and if it's connected to Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Then there is a pictorial of if the unit is cleaning. This only updates if you set the mode from the app as opposed to the unit itself. And at the bottom of the screen you can select the mode. Auto mode, this is the default mode that cleans both floor and walls of the unit until the battery runs out. Floor only mode is the mode that the cleaner follows an S-shaped pattern to clean just the pool floor. Wall only mode, this is the mode that uses the crab-like N-shaped pattern to clean only the pool walls. Eco mode is the mode the device cleans the pool for 45 minutes every 48 hours for a full week. This is ideal for regular maintenance when you're away. Now I left the best till last, waterline mode. The cleaner moves horizontally along the waterline to keep the specific area nice and clean. This is the only mode that is not available directly from the button on top of the Scuba S1 Pro and must be selected from the app. And there are literally no additional settings apart from this, so keeping it super simple and easy to use. Aiper currently doesn't offer any integration with any home automation platform, be it Alexa, Google, or Home Assistant. However, apart from the cleaning history, what else would you integrate? I mean, it's not as if you can automate the start of the Scuba S1 Pro, and since no robot can be controlled via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth while underwater, that wouldn't be an option. So maybe cleaning history integration will be offered later on, but it's not a deal breaker if not. So the Scuba S1 Pro, what do I think? If you're in the market for a pool robot, then the Scuba S1 Pro should be right up there on your consider list. It has best-in-class suction, amazing waterline cleaning, Great floor and wall cleaning programs, especially now with the new firmware that uses the wave path technology to give you virtual lawn stripes but underwater in your pool. The super simple app and the one-touch cleaning is a welcome change from overly complex controls. And the eco mode for a week's worth of cleaning with one button touch makes this ideal for even less maintenance, very useful for off-season or rental properties. On the less positive side, removing the Scuba S1 from the pool needs to be done carefully to avoid the debris falling out of the basket, but this is a common on a lot of robots. Also, the Scuba S1 Pro doesn't use its motors to expel water when removed from the pool, so it can seem very heavy until it is drained. But hopefully Aiper can build this into a firmware release and solve this problem. So overall, the Scuba S1 Pro is a solid and welcome addition to any pool. It's reasonably priced considering the features at $1,439.99 Australian dollars and $859.99 US dollars. Both on promotion currently, links in the description. And if that's a little outside your budget, then check out the Scuba S1. 60% of the price and only misses out on a few of the more advanced features such as the ultrasonics. Overall, the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro offers impressive cleaning performance and smart features, making it a solid choice for those willing to invest in a high-end cordless pool cleaner. Well, that's it for the review, and if you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if I've helped you make a purchasing decision, then maybe a super thanks or a PayPal donation. It's really appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your clean pools. See you in the next video.